Welcome to Mervyn Stewart, one of Northern Ireland's most trusted family-run car dealerships, proudly serving drivers for over 60 years from our showrooms in Belfast, Conlig and Bangor. At Mervyn Stewart, every used vehicle is carefully chosen and prepared by our experienced team to ensure the highest standards of quality and reliability. Each vehicle undergoes a comprehensive multi-point inspection and comes with a minimum 6 months warranty, a full vehicle history check and competitive pricing that's monitored daily. With flexible finance options available and ongoing support from our dedicated service centres, you can buy with complete confidence. To find out more, arrange a test drive or request a personalised video of this vehicle, contact the Mervyn Stewart team today.